Whoa, you look even glowing, so happy, radiant, and alive. Still have that look? Your mind even glows as wine with age. What are you doing? What are you eating? I also want to live the life that you live. What's your glowing secret? If you've been following me since day one on this channel, you must know that my number one, first and foremost, top secret is energy. Your energy, your true essence, or your highest timeline frequency is the true currency. And that's what this episode is all about. We're gonna delve into my day-to-day acceleration for your glowest version of yourself. Hello super people, welcome back to Super Conscious Podcast with me, Cindy Ajo. If you're just tuned, this channel is all about everything that help you accelerate your highest timeline. Welcome to your glowing era, not only physically, mentally, spiritually, but holistically. We not only 3D, 4D, and 5D creatures, as what I've shared in my previous episode, you're also multi-dimensional creations, and yet the creator at the same time. So many layers, facets, the possibility is infinite. Alright, let's come back. If you have watched or listened to my recent episodes, I've shared that time is actually the side effect of what your prescription in your present of eternal now. So everything that's happening or occurring as your 3D physicality is actually the projection of your 4-dimensional reality you are experiencing through timing. In case you don't know, 4-dimension is the dimension of time, but we all now know that 4D is actually not about literal time, because linear concept of time is happening on 3-dimension reality. 4-dimension is the dimension of spiral, dynamic, subconscious, inexplicable, rhythmic, beyond the linear concept of past, present, and future. So at any given moment, you can mentally traveling through your past to your future, but you choose to operate in your 3D reality. So 4-dimension is more about timing, and 5-dimension is the dimension of your soul, the anime, or having the experience in physical realm through timing and building the momentum. Building momentum is a huge key where you do the inner work, experiencing the inexplicable, facing your own invisible selves, especially all the darkness, the unknown, the uncertainty, mystery in 4-dimension, until you finally come back home to your glow, to your radiance. Once you realize that time is a side effect of timing, it's a game changer, because the key to changing the outside reality is changing what's on inside. Glow is radiance. Radiance always comes from the source inside that you already have. It means you already own the abundance, peace, joy, love, infinite vitality, well-being, treasure, worthy, kind, patient, faithful. It's all basically you, the inner radiance of your true essence. And just so you know that in 5D, you are tapping into your creator frequency as a creator and a coder of your own reality. So in 5-dimension, you can be the director, the script writer. You can rewrite your own narrative based on your favorite story that you love to experience as your life. And just so you know that whenever you tap S in your keyboard, what will also appear in the screen is also S. It cannot be R or W, because whatever alphabet you type in your keyboard is what appears on your screen, right? That's exactly your 5D rewriting your narrative, your source code that you are operating on the 4th-dimension realm, and then projected into your 3D reality. Yes, you can also call that 3D reality is the conscious self of you, that you perceive everything as matter because your physical lenses and senses can only perceive reality in 3D form. Therefore, everything that you experience on the fourth dimension realm or in your timing is something that only you that can perceive it, because it starts going deeper into your personal realm. That not everything you publish into your 3D conscious reality, and because it's invisible, not many people tune into that, pay attention to it, especially work on it. Not many people know thyself deeper, tune inward, facing their own invisible part of themselves. But you that watching this, I know that you do different. You do your inner work, you go all in to know thyself deeper and want to also benefit others through your experience. They eventually radiate it from inside. This is what I shared in my previous episode about why affirmation doesn't happen as you affirmed, because the power of affirmation goes deeper into the subconscious mind, the realm that processing all the programs. Especially if you want to go deeper again, you can tap into your 5-dimension reality or tap into your creator, your source code, creator frequency, your source code, so that you can rewrite your own reality. I also explained to you that it's not our job to controlling what's gonna appear on our conscious reality. The conscious reality is the screen or our mirror for us to look into it. Is it the reality that I really want to experience or not in my own game? If I don't like this reality appearing on my 3D screen, then what I need to do is to tune inward. Let's look at the program or code that I am currently operating or animating. Instead of blaming others or even blaming God, source, why this situation, conditions happening to me keep looping in my reality, or blah 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 blah. Remember the metaphor that I just shared to you. Oh, it's time to tune into my creator frequency, that I am responsible with my own reality. So if something that I don't like in my reality, I can tune inward, tap into my unconscious self or in my creator frequency, the source code in my core. What is it? The code, the program that is no longer serving me, so that I stop giving it permission to run in my 3D reality. Once the source code changed, what's appear in your conscious reality is simply mirroring that. This is what I call as acceleration. We often think it in terms of time, but we often forget that time is the side effect of timing, which is operating the programs that we allow to happen in our reality. And when something that we don't like to experience keep appearing on your 3D reality, that's a subtle reminder from your unconscious, from your source code, that this is actually the program, something that you need to rewrite on yourself. Until you rewrite it, it will keep running into your system because you keep giving it permission to appear to happening in your reality. So now you see how responsible you are with your own reality and what's truly holding you back at your core, which usually turn into limiting beliefs that you don't know how to process. It usually turns into unresolved, suppressed or repressed emotions that creates resistance, such as inner battles that holds you back from your highest timeline. It creates separation, limitation, as if your highest timeline is so far from you and it's so unreachable, it's so impossible, not probable, just because you aren't used to your source code. Now you start to see the bridge gap or acceleration that you are responsible with, that you have control with, which is the realm of your inner work, the realm of building momentum, working on yourself in the invisible realm by tap into your creator frequency. At the same time, you also realize that acceleration is possible, also probable to happen in your reality. I'm pretty sure you already know that the most glowing person is the ones that radiate not only from the outside, but it radiates from within. And when we talk about within, means it comes from the invisible realm of that person, because it projected outwards, right? Now I'm going to share with you the day-to-day acceleration that will push you into your glowest version of yourself, holistically in all aspects of yourself. So there are 9 aspects of yourself that you can accelerate on a day-to-day basis, and I will also share the why and the life hacks for you to work on it so you can accelerate your glowest self. The first realm that will accelerate you to embody your highest timeline, or the glowest version of yourself, which is your true essence, radiate, emanates effortlessly from you, is the inner work in spiritual realm. You can work on yourself through meditation, active imagination, access your Akashic records, know your celestial body from astrology, human design, as toolkit resources that will help accelerate your highest timeline. Spiritual realm is also about numerology, energetically, spirit, metaphysics, cosmic quantum physics, synchronicity, serendipities that help us realize what's behind and beyond experienced reality, so we can realize the why of everything that we are experiencing. The second realm of yourself that you can accelerate is mentally, your personal consciousness or your own self-awareness, how you understand things psychologically, cognitively, the realm of beliefs, building or creating the reality, reputation, thinking, how you process information. So in this realm, the acceleration will be know how your own mind works through mindfulness, observe more, learn how nature works. The greatest learner are learning without judging. You start understanding how interconnected everything is. Even this personal consciousness that you experience through is part of the greater nature that is cosmic consciousness. You're not a drop experiencing ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. The more you expand your consciousness, the more you tap back into your creator frequency, your life changing begins. My life has changed so much better, brighter, easier, lighter after working on my mind. So I know how benefit of working with yourself mentally. True master is an eternal learner. And once you become this true master of your own mind, you also realize it's important to not only programming yourself with external or outside programs that are not really serving you. You value yourself so much that you only allow yourself to consume and train your mind through the growth mindset, abundance state, every information that only serving your source code, your soul DNA, your true essence. They help you emanate your glowest version of yourself, which is also will be helpful if you record your experience through journal. Journaling is literally like writing your prescription or love letter to the whole universe. You know, whatever that you're prescribing, whatever that you declare, the first and the most sensitive person that affected by it is you. You're the one that constantly be with you 24/7 in the eternal now, which means you are constantly affecting yourself with the narratives, the programs, the codes that you create for yourself. So what you're prescribing, the next part of yourself you need to work on that can help you accelerate your glowest self is emotionally. Emotion is energy in motion. From spiritual that processed through your mental realm turns into emotion that you eventually feel or translates as feelings, which associates with certain vibration. In emotional realm, you also deal with hormones, part of yourself in the limbic brain that help you regulate your feelings. If you want a clear explanation on that, you can watch into serials of Inside Out movie so that you can understand how your hormones, feelings, emotions are also linked to memories especially your core memories as well, that deep down underneath your unconscious. Each hormone has their own needs and they appear there for their own reason in certain momentum in your life. Once they're showing up, allow them to reveal to you what's the certain message that they are unfolding to you, because they are showing up for a reason. And through understanding them, allow them as they are, you embrace them. And once they feel embraced, they can calm down and no longer feels like interrupting you, and you can accelerate your life in the most powerful and maximize your life. Take back your control over yourself once you finish to deal with understanding the message or reason they're revealing to you. This is why healthy emotional regulation is so important. It makes you be emotionally available to others. It all starts with you. Once you're able to make peace with your hormones, with yourself, you can then help others to navigate theirs by mirroring that onto them. So it starts with you. As what I've shared in emotional regulation and emotional intelligence episode. You can watch that. My instant hack is listening to solfeggio frequency. Based on our music that have special hertz, each hertz resonates with specific purpose, specific vibration. They work on energetic level. Usually you can feel the instant benefit just by tuning or listening to that solfeggio frequency. The fourth or next realm is physically. Whatever that you do on a physical realm also affects what you feel inside. For example, if you show up authentically yourself, you feel a glow differently than you usually be. It also affects your confidence of how you present yourself inside out. The more you take care of yourself on a day-to-day basis, even if it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but you do it regularly on day-to-day basis, small action with repetition is better than big action but not consistent. Because the more you focus on the big things, it feels like so big that you feel easier to postpone it. You feel tons of excuses to not to do that, or feel like, oh, there's still tomorrow, there's still another time, oh, I can do that later, oh, there's an infinite time anyway. But it's the timing. Remember, the way you accelerate your glow self is by start at your current, at your present of eternal now. Always remember that you are constantly imprinting, prescripting yourself, always choosing to operating from your glow self moment by moment. That's how you build that momentum in the realm of timing. And if you feel uninspired, simply like shaking yourself, move your body, go to random dance. Your body will speak for itself energetically. It freeing yourself from this limited physical body that awakens, oh, I'm alive again. I'm currently live, currently a player of my own movie, of my own game. This is a simple hack before you go out, go to work, or before you meet a person, do your meetings. Shake yourself, have a little confidence, like do random things, like forget about shame. It's just you and you. Dance like nobody's watching and let your vitality come back to yourself. Oh, shake your ass, call it as attitude, get your ass alive again. Yeah. The area around your ass is the base of your spine where your Kundalini energy located. So shake your ass, do your attitude, have fun with it. The realm of physicality not only about the movement, but it's also about what you're consuming and what you're detoxing. I've already shared some of my tips in my previous episode. For an additional tips, chia seeds will help you feel full longer. Because the more you are in high vibration, the less you are focusing or thinking about food. But the more you are in low vibration, the less you are doing something that is meaningful, and the more easier you are programmed by the fundamental or base human needs, which is the very first bottom of human needs is food or physical consumption, which will impact your hormones, impact your emotion, also impact your energy, the vibe that you're operating, also keeps you in the loop of low vibration. So if you want to radiate higher, accelerate your physicality as well. The fifth aspect of you that you can accelerate for your glowing era is skillfully. On this realm, you can learn something new, exploring something that you passionately about, that you are currently curious and interested about. Invest in your true essence, unleash your value even more so that you can glow even better, even brighter through capability, ability, skill set, toolkit that you need. Is like learning how to communicate better, articulate more transparently, more proper, like how to read people, the art of listening, how to hold space for others, empathetic, adding value to others besides self-awareness, growth mindset, adaptability, create your own masterpiece, learn how to design, learn how to work with AI. These skill sets will help you leverage your life to the next level. Dream bigger and act accordingly. We settle for ordinary if you're made for extraordinary. Once you know that there are still lots of things you can enjoy exploring, your time will no longer feel boring. Rather, you can always find something fun in exploring and increasing your skill sets towards the glowest version of yourself. Especially when you are already in the creator frequency, it absolutely becomes your needs automatically because you are playing your own game. And how exciting! Talking about play, now we turn into the sixth aspect of yourself that you can accelerate, which is playfully. When you are playful with your life, you're constantly having fun. You always find something to explore, to celebrate your wonder. Somehow you're able to turn it into creation. Sexual energy, for example, you can turn that energy into high vibration frequency that you can master and alchemize it into your masterpiece. You can also playful with your feminine energy, which you can still be masculine, but you have that feminine side of you that seeking for simply playful. Express yourself randomly, create a random act of love, joy, excitement, enthusiasm. That out of the box. You don't even live in a box, because what is box? If you can be anything, actually, you can explore your imagination through movies, through books, through cooking. And seventh, financially. Isn't it so important that we somehow talking lots of things about spiritual, but somehow subconsciously we might have limiting beliefs about scarcity. We think separately of spirituality and financially or mundane. Like when I first started this channel, I kept being asked how you sell your service, how you can make a living by sharing spiritual things, as if there's a separation between spirituality and materiality, which both are same you. Once you realize this oneness of duality, you can accelerate them just by realizing that in my source code everything is one, interconnected. I will constantly find the interconnection and the opportunities in everything I experience, rather than keep looking on separation, problems, or limitation in everything. So it's all back at you. One of the most powerful tips financially is to live your dharma so consistently that the universe or reality has no option but to show up the equation of your integrity through good karma. So let's just focus on living your dharma and let the universe take care of the good karma that's already in store for you. Let the sky take care of the sun and the rain, and you just focus on planting and nourishing your own seeds. There are lots of limiting beliefs, such as where do I start it, how I can create something without financial model, how I can live my best life without financial backups, or so many things. Most of the times people limit themselves based on money. Remember that money is matter. which matter comes from energy. And so, whenever you work on energy, you work on yourself, you increase your value, you increase your own currency. Your energy then attracts the money itself through how you process ideas, inspirations, toolkits that you already notice, develop, investing, working on yourself. This is all sum up from aspect number 1 up to this. And so whenever you confuse about wealth aspect of you, remember that you are abundance. Asking yourself a bigger question. Why keep limiting yourself, including from your own question? If God, if the universe is source, if your highest timeline, your global self, your true essence is abundance, the question is come back to you. How much you trust in your true essence, in your God, source, your highest self, global self, true essence, whatever you call it. And the 8th aspect is socially. This is the realm where you connect with others through relationship. With reciprocate and resonated energy, attract soul connections, the right audience, twin flame, and so on and so on. Most of them are related to your relationship with yourselves, started with your inner child experience. It will lead you back to your past experiences or momentum where the limitations start occurring in your life, which made you change something about you, and you carrying the shifted or wounded narratives with you for your entire life, although you might consciously realize that it no longer serving you. Therefore, it keep manifested as your partner through the relationship that you keep attracting or the similar situations that you keep experiencing in your life. The way you accelerate this realm is to heal the root cause of that limitation. Once it happens, get ready, because healing can happen at any time. Especially heal your relationship with yourself, your inner child. So stay ready. And the last or 9th aspect of you is globally. This is the realm of collective influence, significant contribution, collaboration, influence, impact, soul imprint that you are co-creating and live as your legacy or magnum opus in time. To accelerate this is to live what you made for. Remember that you are such a meaningful and purposeful soul, that you came here on earth at this current time space reality to experience something not only for yourself but also for others, for the whole universe. That's how powerful, impactful, purposeful you are. When you remember that you are not here just for yourself, rather for something greater, that such great power is also working for your own benefits. Once you want what the universe wants you, the whole universe got your back. And that's all that matters. The companionship you have along the journey towards the destination. It's to live for what you made for. That's how you let your true essence come alive, by accelerate your highest timeline to come alive through these aspects of yourselves that I've packed and simplify for you to serve you best holistically, from the micros until the macros aspects of you. Now you know that you can have control over yourself and allow the higher control that's already there to dance with you as you create your own momentum that you love to experience. And therefore, you're invited to join Glow Self Acceleration. We'll support you in these 9 realms, aspects of yourself. You can tap into just by click the link down below. In there, you will get day-to-day accelerator that's supporting your radiant upgradation holistically. The good news is, if you join on this November, you will get updates, references, toolkits all at once, from the micros until the macros tips with bunch of contents. The top secrets, day-to-day accelerator, years of my experience, insights that I share exclusively in just $33. And if you subscribe on this November, you will get 11% discount for the first month join. It's time to welcome your glowing era with open heart and allow the universe has your back. to reveal the true essence you're here to experience and be. Until next episode, see you again with me, Cindy Acho. I wish you nothing but let your glow self come alive. I'll see you as the accelerator of your glowous self. Have a glowous experience you could possibly play in your own game. Have fun. Love you.